Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and this time I'm filming for the first time at a new track, and it is literally a new track. It's only been up a couple of weeks or so, the owner invited me to help him bed it in, so to speak. So on the outside track we have my Roundhouse Russell, keenly pulling 8 large hoppers made by Plateways models. These are kits, just completed them, so I'm trying them out here on this track as well.
Kanske nog nooit zo mooi geweest als dit jaar, anders had ik wel een fijne plek in.
Ik ben ook niet bekend, dat is wel een nieuw. Ja. Ik weet niet, ik dat het allemaal door internet gaan.
Ja. Nee, lekker.
So on the inside track we have Roundhouse Stanley pulling a couple of wagons. This Stanley in excellent condition with its custom paintwork, and it's, I don't know whether you can hear that, but it's actually fitted with a slow-mo.
Ja, we kunnen maar regelen. Maar dat klinkt een beetje meer, hè?
So the next two locomotives on the track were my Roundhouse George kit-built Roundhouse locomotive, and on the inside track we have the owner's dark green D-Class Garrett, also Roundhouse. I think all the locomotives today are actually from Roundhouse. So the girder bridge is actually scratch built, not yet finished. It's going to have some wooden planking on top between the rails. The George locomotive looking very smart in the sun. And of course the same can be said from the Garrett. Brute of a machine, can pull almost anything, and this is a fine example. So with the next session I exchanged the George locomotive for my red Garrett, and I put a few more wagons on to give it something to pull, and no problems at all. And on the inside track we've got the Stanley again with a couple of coaches behind it. Some very nice plants in the owner's garden. Great setting to have a live steam railway. So for the final run of the day, got the George back on the track, this time with the mixed goods.
Ja, hij wil best wel mooie samenklanken hier uit.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and as this track progresses I'll be bringing more videos. You can watch out for those in the future. Bye bye for now.